Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're here, it's because you're interested in crypto and looking for the next big investment opportunities. In today's video, I'll break down 6 incredible crypto projects: Cosmos Hub, Filecoin, Avalanche, Cardano, XRP, and Toncoin. We'll dive into their unique projects, price predictions, and how Bitcoin affects their performance. Before we get started, let's talk about the platforms you'll need to trade or invest in these coins. 2 of the best platforms out there are Binance and OKX. While both are excellent, I recommend OKX for its simple user interface and wide variety of trading options. Plus, if you use the link in the description, you can register easily and potentially get some cool bonuses. So make sure to check that out. Before we dive into each coin, let's take a moment to understand how the crypto market works and how Bitcoin plays a central role in it. How Bitcoin influences altcoins. Bitcoin is the king of crypto, and its price movements affect almost every other coin in the market. When Bitcoin goes up, altcoins like Cosmos, Filecoin, and Avalanche usually follow, though sometimes with a slight delay. This is because Bitcoin sets the overall market sentiment. If people are bullish on BTC, they're more likely to invest in altcoins. On the flip side, if Bitcoin crashes, it often drags the entire market down with it. Crypto markets and news. Another key factor is news. Positive news like big partnerships, institutional adoption, or technological upgrades can send prices soaring. But bad news like government regulations or security breaches can cause sudden drops. The crypto market is heavily driven by sentiment, so staying informed is critical for investors. All right, now that we've got the foundation covered, let's dive into the coins and their unique projects. Let's start with Cosmos Hub, or ATOM. Cosmos calls itself the Internet of Blockchains. Its goal is to connect different blockchains so they can communicate and transfer assets seamlessly. This is huge because the crypto space is fragmented. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other blockchains usually can't interact directly. Cosmos solves this problem with its Inter-Blockchain Communication Protocol, or IBC. Why invest in ATOM? Use case. Cosmos enables interoperability between blockchains, which is essential as crypto adoption grows. Staking rewards. ATOM holders can stake their coins to earn passive income, which is a great incentive for investors. Ecosystem growth. Projects like Terra and Thorchain are built on Cosmos, and as the ecosystem expands, so does the value of ATOM. Price prediction for ATOM. Right now, ATOM is trading in the range of $5. If adoption of the Cosmos ecosystem continues, we could see ATOM reaching $30, $50 in the next year, depending on market conditions. Bitcoin's influence. When Bitcoin rises, ATOM often sees a delayed but steady increase because interoperability becomes more relevant as the market expands. However, if Bitcoin drops sharply, ATOM might also decline, but usually at a smaller scale. And next up, we have Filecoin, or File. Filecoin is a decentralized storage network. Think of it like Google Drive or Dropbox. But instead of relying on a central company, Filecoin uses blockchain technology to store data securely and privately. Why invest in FIL? Real-world utility. Filecoin has a practical use case. It provides decentralized storage for data, which is increasingly in demand. Partnerships. Filecoin is working with companies and Web3 projects to store NFTs and other critical data. Long-term potential. As data storage needs grow globally, Filecoin's decentralized approach could disrupt traditional services. Price prediction for FIL. FIL is currently trading at $4. If adoption increases and more companies use Filecoin, we could see it reaching $10, $15 within the next year and potentially much higher in the long term. Bitcoin's influence. Filecoin follows Bitcoin's movements, especially during bull markets. When Bitcoin creates positive sentiment, coins with strong utility like FIL often see increased demand. Now let's talk about Avalanche, or AVAX. Avalanche is a blockchain platform designed for speed and scalability. It's often compared to Ethereum because it supports smart contracts and decentralized applications, DApps. But Avalanche is known for being much faster and cheaper. Why invest in AVAX? Transaction speed. Avalanche can handle up to 4,500 transactions per second, making it one of the fastest blockchains. DeFi and NFTs. Avalanche has a growing ecosystem of DeFi platforms and NFT marketplaces. Partnerships. Big names like Deloitte are using Avalanche for blockchain solutions, which is a huge vote of confidence. Price prediction for AVAX. Currently, AVAX is trading at $35. If the ecosystem continues to grow and adoption increases, AVAX could reach $50, $70 in the next year. Bitcoin's influence. Avalanche is highly sensitive to Bitcoin's price movements because it's a popular altcoin. In a bull market, AVAX tends to outperform many other altcoins because of its scalability and utility. Cardano, or ADA, is one of the most well-known cryptocurrencies in the market. It's a proof-of-stake blockchain known for its scientific approach and strong focus on security and sustainability. Why invest in ADA? Energy efficiency. Cardano's proof-of-stake system uses far less energy than Bitcoin or Ethereum. Strong development. Cardano is constantly evolving with upgrades like Hydra to improve scalability. Community and adoption. Cardano has a large and loyal community which supports its growth. Price prediction for ADA. ADA is currently trading at $0.70. With ongoing upgrades and partnerships, ADA could see prices between $0.50 and $1.50 in the next year. Bitcoin's influence. Cardano usually moves in line with Bitcoin. When Bitcoin gains traction, ADA benefits from increased market confidence. Let's move on to XRP. XRP is unique because it's designed for fast, low-cost cross-border payments. It's often used by banks and financial institutions, making it different from most other cryptocurrencies. Why invest in XRP? Banking partnerships. XRP is used by institutions like Santander and MoneyGram for cross-border transactions. Legal resolution. XRP's legal battle with the SEC could determine its future. If the outcome is positive, we might see a significant price boost. Speed and cost. Transactions with XRP take seconds and cost just a fraction of a cent. Price prediction for XRP. XRP is currently trading at $1. If the SEC case resolves positively, XRP could hit $20 or more in the short term and go even higher in a bull market. Bitcoin's influence. XRP is somewhat independent of Bitcoin, but still follows the overall market trend. When Bitcoin rises, it creates optimism that often benefits XRP as well. Finally, let's talk about Toncoin, or Ton. Ton was developed by Telegram, one of the biggest messaging apps in the world. It's designed for fast transactions and integrates directly with messaging platforms. Why invest in Ton? Messaging. Integration. Ton has the unique advantage of being tied to Telegram, which has millions of active users. Transaction speed. Ton is built for scalability, making it a strong contender for microtransactions and everyday use. Strong backing. With Telegram's involvement, Ton has a solid foundation for growth. Price prediction for Ton. Ton is trading at $5. With more Telegram features rolling out, TON could see steady growth and potentially double in value over the next year. Bitcoin's influence. Like other altcoins, TON follows Bitcoin's movements. However, its unique use case, tied to Telegram, gives it a bit of independence in certain scenarios. So there you have it. 6 incredible crypto projects to watch: Cosmos Hub, Filecoin, Avalanche, Cardano, XRP, and Toncoin. Each of these coins has unique strengths and potential for growth. But remember, the crypto market is volatile and nothing is guaranteed. Always do your own research and invest responsibly. If you're ready to get started, don't forget to check out OKX using the link in the description. It's a great platform for trading and investing in these coins. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which of these coins you're most excited about. See you next time, and happy investing.